Number 1.
This 1966 Chevrolet Caprice, priced at $8,000, is a solid classic that runs and drives, but could use a bit of TLC. It's powered by a 350 motor paired with a TH350 transmission. While the car is functional, the brakes go to the floor but still stop, and there's a small transmission fluid leak. Additionally, the parking lights activate when hitting the brakes due to wiring, but an original column is included to address the issue. Despite these quirks, the seller has driven the Caprice for the last 4.5 years, covering approximately 5,000 miles. The body has some minor dents, but nothing major that detracts from its classic appeal. The undercarriage is in decent shape, and the car is ready for a new owner who appreciates its vintage charm. Located in Warren, Ohio, the price is firm at $8,000, with trade offers considered only if worth more. Cash is king, and lowball offers will not be entertained. Don't miss out on this chance to own a true classic.
Number 2.
This 1967 Ford Galaxie 500 LTD, priced at $9,800, has 88,000 original miles on the odometer, with only 200 miles on a recently rebuilt 390 motor. The engine has been bored .03 over, with a mild cam added for extra performance. Aside from a few upgrades, such as power front disc brakes, a temperature-controlled radiator fan, and rear Monroe air shocks, the car remains mostly original. The Galaxie was repainted 7 years ago and has been garage-kept since, but there's a dent and scratch on the rear passenger quarter, along with some paint chipping on the roof. Inside, the vehicle is pre-wired for a high-end audio system with focal 6x9 speakers, but it needs a new head unit and amps. Though the car runs and drives well, it could use a new rag joint. It wasn't originally equipped with AC, and none has been added since. Located in location, this classic Galaxie offers a great blend of originality and modern upgrades. Cash offers only. Come see it in person and make an offer.
Number 3.
This 1962 Studebaker Gran Turismo Hawk, priced at $50,500, is a rare project car with tons of potential. Restored about 20 years ago, the car still runs great, but requires transmission work and is not currently drivable. It's powered by a Studebaker 289 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, making it a top-of-the-line model for its era. The paint shows signs of wear and scratches, but the original interior remains in good condition, offering a great base for further restoration. With its distinctive styling, the GT Hawk is a true classic that stands out on the road. Located in Caledon Village, this unique vehicle is priced to sell. The price is negotiable, so bring your best offer and make this rare Studebaker yours.
Number 4.
This 1967 Mercury Comet Cyclone, priced at $24,000, is a true classic muscle car with serious performance upgrades. Under the hood, you'll find a powerful 390 engine with a mild cam, Edelbrock carburetor, and performance intake, paired with a 4-speed top-loader transmission and a Ford 9-inch rear end with 3.27 gears. The suspension has been fully upgraded with new springs, and the car sits on stylish 17 heat front and 18-inch rear US mags wheels. The Cyclone features front disc brakes and rear drum brakes, both of which are brand new. A new clutch, pressure plate, flywheel, and PowerMaster high-torque starter have been recently installed, along with a hydraulic master cylinder conversion for smoother shifts. Though it's an original no-power steering and no-power brake car, it drives and brakes exceptionally well. The interior includes replaced front floor pans and functional heat, though the heater core has been disconnected. This no-AC car runs, rides, and drives great, with an engine rebuild in the early 2000s. It's been well maintained by its current owner, who acquired it from the second owner in 2010. Located in location, this turnkey classic is ready for the road. Come see it in person and make an offer on this rare piece of American muscle.
Number 5.
This 1965 Chevrolet Corvair Corsa, priced at $16,500, is a well-maintained driver with a distinctive GM dark jadestone metallic exterior and a white interior, which may be original. The odometer shows 30,516 miles, and the car has spent most of its time in a garage, showing no signs of serious rust or accident damage. The Corvair comes with Flowmaster mufflers, and while the original Delco AM radio is still functional, a Pioneer stereo has been neatly mounted in the tissue box under the dash with upgraded speakers in the rear. All major components like the lights, tachometer, clock, washer, turn signals, heater, and fan are in working order. The only exception is the horn, but a new one has been ordered from Clark's. The paint, though driver quality with a few imperfections, still shines well, making this Corvair a great candidate for both driving enjoyment and further restoration. Located in Leesburg, the car is ready for test drives and inspection. If you're looking for a classic Corvair, this is a great opportunity to own a unique piece of automotive history.
Number 6.
This 1981 Chevrolet Camaro Z28, priced at $10,750, is a fully loaded classic with 75,944 original kilometers. Featuring its original white paint with blue pinstripes and a matching blue deluxe interior, this Camaro comes equipped with a 350 V8 engine paired with a 3-speed automatic transmission. The T-roof is fully functional, and all options work, except for the wiper switch. Though the car runs, drives, and stops, it could use a tune-up and some restoration work. The body is in good shape with only minor surface rust, while the interior is in excellent condition. However, the floors, trunk pans, and rear lower valance will need replacement. This numbers-matching Z28 is rare, especially with such low kilometers, making it a great opportunity for restoration enthusiasts. Located in location, the Camaro is ready to drive, while repairs are being done. The price has been lowered to reflect the needed work, and trade offers for older trucks, vans, or cars of equal value will be considered. Don't miss out on this classic Camaro.
Number 7.
This 1971 Plymouth Duster Restomod, priced at $16,200, is a unique blend of classic style and modern performance. Built on the platform of a 2006 Chrysler 300, this car features a rust-free California Duster body and is powered by a 5.7-liter Hemi engine with only 10,000 miles. The 4-speed automatic transmission with overdrive, stainless exhaust, power steering, and 4-wheel disc brakes ensure a smooth and powerful drive. The exterior boasts sleek black paint with matte black factory striping, perfect chrome, and mint glass, giving it an eye-catching look. Inside, the modern upgrades continue with tan leather power seats, heated front seats, air conditioning, power windows, cruise control, and a fully integrated Chrysler 300 onboard computer. This Duster offers the best of both worlds, a classic 1971 body with the comfort and amenities of a modern car. Located in location, this one-of-a-kind Restomod is ready to impress. Come take a look and make an offer on this stunning vehicle.
Number 8.
This 1967 Ford Mustang Fastback, priced at $24,600, is a rare gem featuring a 390 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. With low mileage and a spotless accident history, this Mustang runs flawlessly, making it a fantastic find for classic car enthusiasts. The body is in excellent condition, and the car performs just as well as it looks. This iconic fastback design, combined with its powerful engine, delivers both style and performance. Located in location, this Mustang is ready for its next owner to enjoy. The price is firm, so come take a look and make an offer on this pristine classic.
Number 9.
This 1972 Oldsmobile Cutlass S, priced at $9,500, features the iconic 350 Rocket V8 engine, delivering smooth power and performance. The car is in running order with numerous new or recently replaced parts, including brakes, oil pan gasket, transmission pan gasket, alternator, tie rods, ball joint, shocks, carburetor, battery, and brake booster. The frame and floor pans are solid, making it a strong foundation for further restoration. While the paint needs attention, the car runs great with a powerful sound and a smooth ride. Located in location, this classic Cutlass is ready for its next owner. Come take a look and drive away in this timeless beauty.
Number 10.
This 1974 Oldsmobile Cutlass Salon, priced at $5,000, is a rare find, perfect for restoration or parts. Under the hood, it features the powerful 455 Ci rocket engine, a hallmark of Oldsmobile's performance legacy. Though it hasn't been run in over 15 years, the car has been carefully stored under covers and currently sits on blocks to preserve the tires. Being sold by the original owner, this Cutlass offers a solid foundation for a project, with potential to bring it back to its former glory. Located in location, this classic is ready for a new life. Don't miss your chance to restore a true American muscle car.
Number 11.
This 1967 Mercury Cougar Coupe 2D, priced at $14,900, is a standout classic designed as the luxury alternative to the Mustang of the same year. This Cougar is approximately 90% complete and features a rebuilt 302 engine with just 500 miles on it. Notable upgrades include a front disc brake conversion with 1-inch drop springs, an electric headlight door conversion, LED rear turn signal taillight conversion, and a rebuilt rear end with under 500 miles. The car is fitted with new 7-inch torque thrust wheels and new tires. It boasts a fresh paint job from the past year and a clean, rust-free body. Inside, the Cougar does require a new headliner and rear seat reupholstery. Minor issues include small leaks from the power steering and vacuum on the transmission, an exhaust tick, and a non-operational speedometer. Located in location, this Cougar offers both style and performance with a clear title in hand. Don't miss the chance to own this unique and well-upgraded classic.
Number 12.
This 1956 Chevrolet Bel Air two-door, priced at $20,000, is a classic gem featuring a newer 350 engine. While it has undergone an older restoration, it remains a striking and enjoyable driver. This Bel Air is ready to turn heads with its timeless appeal and solid performance. Located in location, this classic Chevy offers a blend of vintage charm and modern reliability. The car is in great condition, and the price is negotiable. Don't miss out on this opportunity to own a piece of automotive history.
Number 13.
This 1967 Pontiac Tempest Le Mans Coupe, priced at $25,000, is a great project car for enthusiasts. Built in Pontiac, Michigan, it features a GTO second-gen body and runs well, though it does require some restoration work. Under the hood, you'll find a 326 cubic inch V8 engine, or an optional Sprint 6 OHC inline-6 engine, known for its lighter weight and speed. The car includes an automatic transmission, power steering and brakes, dual mirrors, an aluminum radiator, factory AM radio, and dual exhaust. Additional parts and accessories are included to help with the restoration. Located in location, this Le Mans is being sold as is, with first-come, first-served basis. Price is firm, and inquiries should be serious offers only.
Number 14.
This 1967 Chevrolet Camaro RS SS Convertible, priced at $12,800, is a true classic with an original SSRS designation. Under the hood, you'll find a powerful 402 engine, delivering impressive performance to complement its iconic style. The car has a mileage of 90,140, showcasing its rich history while remaining a strong performer. The Camaro's convertible top adds to its classic allure, perfect for enjoying open-air driving. The car is equipped with many original features and maintains its classic charm. Located in location, this Camaro is a remarkable example of American muscle and convertible elegance. The price is firm, and serious inquiries are welcome. Come take a closer look and see if this classic fits your collection.
Number 15.
This 1967 Corvette Convertible, priced at $86,000, is a stunning example of American automotive excellence. This numbers-matching vehicle has undergone a frame-off restoration less than 10 years ago, with detailed photos of the restoration process available. The car is show quality, with every opening and closing operating smoothly as if it were new. The Corvette's clean and tight condition reflects its meticulous care and recent enhancements, ensuring it is in peak form. The vehicle comes with complete lineage documentation from the original selling dealer to the current owner. Located in location, this classic Corvette is available for serious buyers. The price is open to offers, but please, no trades. For additional photos, a video, or any questions, text or call for more information. Thanks for watching Cheap Classic Cars. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more classic car content on a budget. See you next time.